Your self-improvement journey starts now. It begins with a single decision. The decision to change. Not tomorrow. Not next week. But today. Improvement doesn't happen overnight. It starts with small habits. Waking up earlier, reading a few pages, eating healthier, moving your body, saying no to things that drain you, saying yes to what helps you grow. It's about becoming more aware of your thoughts. Improvement, small habits, waking up earlier, reading, eating healthier, moving your body. Awareness of thoughts, replacing self-doubt with self-belief, letting go of past mistakes, forgiving yourself, and moving forward, even if it's just one step at a time. Progress is never linear. Some days will be harder than others. You will feel like giving up. But remember why you started. The person you want to become is waiting for you. And every choice you make today brings you closer. Stop comparing your journey with others. Everyone grows at a different pace. Focus on your path. Celebrate your wins, even the small ones. They matter. Learn something new. Challenge your comfort zone. Surround yourself with positivity. Protect your peace. Be kind to yourself. Growth is not about being perfect. It's about being better than you were yesterday. This is your journey. This is your time. Start now. Not for anyone else, but for you.